अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए इस बटन को दबा के और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें ताकि आपको मिल सके हमारे लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स। तो शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी वक्त के गवाए। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। Hello friends, I am Dr. Theory and I am here to show you how to insert the subscribe button or thumbnail or watermark on the corner of your screen in your YouTube videos. So first you are going to open your Chrome and open YouTube and click on these three dots and click on request desktop sub. So it will open and something like this. Then click on this button and open your channel. It will take some time because you are on desktop mode, so you have to wait. So click on Creator Studio and it will open, and then go down. So now you are on your channel and then click on branding. So after clicking on branding, here it will show you. So now you have to click on. So I have already inserted, so I am removing it now so I can insert a new one and I will show you. So now I'm removing. So now you have to click on this option and choose file. So get it and click on documents and open the file from where you have saved. Or you can just select from gallery. So open, go to pick. I'm going to my folder and I'm selecting my one. So now click on save and you're done. Now open your videos and you can see how you have inserted, and that's so easy, man. Anyone can do it. And here's an example of mine, just typed it. So now you can see it's coming here. Keep watching, subscribe, and thanks for watching.